Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Shopify and how to get a custom domain on Shopify. So let's get started. So this is basically how you can do it on your mobile. So for example, if you're here, you can open the Shopify app, go to your store, and then from the store, go to online store and go to domains. Here, you can actually purchase a new domain or you can change a primary domain. This is if you're not in free trial. Now, as you can see, you can go here, you can type domain and you can click buy and you can buy the domain within the Shopify, within the Shopify app. You can also do this on your computer as well by just going to your online store and then domains, and then in domain section, you can get a custom domain. Here, as you can see, you can purchase a new domain. As you can see, change the primary domain, save, and then that's pretty much it. You will be able to go to your, obviously, admin website, again, online store, domains, and then buy a new domain or connect existing domain if you already have a domain, or transfer a domain if you already want to transfer domain. So that's basically how to do it. It's very simple, obviously, but if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.